Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings, Windows 11. I've had this happen before where Wi-Fi just completely disappears from settings, and it honestly feels like your laptop forgot it, even if it is wireless. Here's what I usually try first. I open the Windows search bar and type services, then launch it. Inside the list, I scroll down to W and look for WLAN autoconfig. If that service isn't running properly, Wi-Fi won't even show up. I will right-click it, go to Properties, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. If it's not, I will change it, hit Apply, then OK, start the service if needed. If Wi-Fi still doesn't appear, I will head into Settings, then Network and Internet, scroll to Advanced Network Settings. Let's now check if the wireless adapter is enabled. If things still look broken, I will use Network Reset at the bottom. This reinstall all network adapters and clears misconfigurations. After that, let's restart the PC. Most of the time, Wi-Fi comes back right after rebooting. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.